Hey y'all, my name is Alicia if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. If you're not new, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Roe v. waiver from the TikTok shop. So if y'all want to see what it looks like and hear my thoughts, then just keep watching. If you are not new, you probably saw my video. I actually posted it a few years ago, but it is still getting traction. Maybe people are looking it up for summer, but I've been getting a lot of views recently and some comments. But I compared two different style waivers. I will link that video somewhere on the screen and down below in the description box if y'all want to watch that one as well. So did I need another waiver? No, I didn't. Did I buy another one anyway? Yes, I did, because I'm a sucker and I have been seeing it all over TikTok and it's pink. I couldn't help myself, but I actually really like it. I have used it because I did a review on TikTok where I linked it on my TikTok shop. So if y'all want to be a sucker and influenced like me and want to buy one too, I will link it on my TikTok shop down below in the description box as well. But let's get into it. So if you don't have TikTok, or if you haven't seen it on TikTok, here is what I'm talking about. The brand is Tymo. I honestly don't know how to say it. I don't know if it's Tymo, Tymu. I don't really know. I think I've heard Tymu, but I don't know if that's because of Timu, so it's kind of close to the same, but it looks like Tymo. Tymo. But look how cute and pink. So it is off, so because it heats up super fast and I wanted y'all to be able to see it. So a few of the features that I absolutely love, actually the number one feature I love is that it has a timer for you to hold it on your hair, and when it beeps then you move down to a different section. So I love that feature because honestly, I get distracted easily, but I will say when I have a heat tool on my hair, I don't get distracted, but I think I have PTSD from that video years and years and years ago. Y'all probably already know what I'm talking about, where that girl has a curling wand and it burns her hair off. So when she pulls the wand away, her hair is still attached. So yeah, I don't get distracted when heat tools are on my hair, but I do sometimes forget like how long it's been. So I do like that little reminder. And then you can change the time depending on your hair type. And then you can also change the temperature as well. And it does come with a little booklet that gives you how hot you should have it. So here is the little booklet. And it says soft and thin hair 280 to 300. 320 to 340 for thin, fine, or bleached hair, 360 to 370 for dyed or dark color hair, 390 to 410 for normal or slightly curly hair, and then 430 for thick, curly, and wavy hair. So I would say my hair is more normal to slightly curly. It's not curly. Like, this is my natural hair. It has been up in a hair tie for like 2 days. So I guess like 390 to 410, but it did fine when I did 320. So I might go to 360. And then it did have 6 seconds, but I took it down to 4. And I don't know if it can, let's see if it, so I think 4 is the least amount you can do. So I'm going to leave it at 4 because I don't want it to be on there longer than 4 seconds, and it did just fine. So another feature that I like is on the bottom is how it locks. So if you want to lock it, you just twist the bottom. Here's what the inside looks like. I do have one that looks like this. And then I saw that they have a compact one of these that makes smaller waves. Let me know down below in the comments if y'all want me to get the compact one too and do a review one side with this, one side with the compact. I think I might do that because I think with my short hair, the smaller ones might look better, but I think this looked pretty good. So let's actually get to using it because I feel like I've been talking forever. So if y'all can see the inside buttons, here is the on and off, the timer, and then the plus and minus for the temperature. So you just hold, I'm trying to get, I want y'all to see, can y'all see that? Ugh, there's a glare from my lights. Okay, I think y'all can see. Look how fast that is heating up. I think that is so crazy. So if y'all can see the 4 right there, that is the timer. Look how fast that is heating up. I wish I would have timed how fast that heats up because it was super quick. I would say under a minute. So I am going to section off my hair, and I feel like a dummy because whenever I did it for my TikTok review, this side I did one way and this side I did another, and I was like, why does this side look so much better? And I was looking when I was editing, I said, oh, because I flipped it. So I am gonna do with the brand facing out. I think it was because when I did it once, I went down too far and it looked weird. I was like, why does it look weird? I was like, oh, I need to turn around. No, I just need to do it closer. Okay, so I'm gonna shut up where you can hear the beeping. Did I keep it on 4? Because it must do 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Look, I don't know. I feel like it might be a little bit different from my other wavers. Maybe that one is like deeper, so it makes it wavier. In all honesty, it probably looks the exact same as my others. I don't know. I love it. And I forgot to mention that you can turn off that beeping feature if you don't like it, don't want it, and want to do your own thing. But I personally like it, so I'm going to keep it on. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my hair. That way you don't have to sit here and watch me do it. And then I will get back on here and show y'all the finished result. Okay, here is the finished product. I absolutely love this, and I do feel like it looks different from the other wavers I have, and now I'm actually kind of excited for the compact one. Not sure when I'll order it, when I'll get it, and all that, and do the, but I do have a few videos planned, so it may be a few weeks before I do that. But let me know down below in the comments if y'all even want to see that. But I think next week, I have had a couple requests to do a tattoo tour, so I think that's what I'm going to post next week. And then there is a new L'Oreal Lumi, I forget what it's called. It's not the Glotion, but I think it is supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation, which is actually what I have on today. I will link this makeup down below in the description box as well, because a lot of times I get compliments on my makeup in my normal videos, and a lot of times I forget what I used. So I'm going to try and start linking or putting all my makeup together when I do it take a picture, link it on my like to know it. That way I can link it for y'all. So I want to get that and try it out for y'all and compare the two, do half Charlotte, half L'Oreal. So I think that will be in 2 weeks. But be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all these videos. And then if you click the notifications, it will pop up whenever I do post a new video. But overall thoughts. Absolutely love it. I do think it is different from the other ones I have. I am probably going to be using this all summer unless I do end up getting the compact. I'm probably liking that. I will link it from my TikTok shop down below in the description box. And I don't know, surely it's available somewhere else. So I will try and find it and link it for y'all on other platforms, maybe Amazon. I don't know if it's on Amazon or not, but I will try and find another way to link it for those of you who don't have TikTok. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss those videos coming up. I need to quit talking with my hands so much, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.